What's up, y'all? Today we are playing Don't Press the Button. I'm gonna do the OG version this time. I've done BFDI already, so I haven't done OG yet. So I'm gonna just do the original one. And here's the challenge. The challenge is that if we cake. Yeah, so here's the challenge. The challenge is if we die, the video ends. The video will end if I die. And when they don't press the button. I'll get ready to push your people off the table. Dude, we're all screaming at the same time. That's crazy. You take this. Okay, we got this. Bro, we are all screaming at the same time, bro. Now, this is actually pretty easy. No. Alright, let's press another button. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go up here. Bro, I don't know why nobody's going here. I'm going here. Oh, I got the milk. Get the milk. Oh yeah, time to enjoy some cake. Oh yeah, and it's the official last day of June, which means July's coming. In fact, 4th of July is coming. In fact, we're getting ready for the BFDI and I tour this weekend. Ready to throw a opponent of that team. Okay, let's do this tree. Can we do? Oh man. Okay. For ornaments at the tree, it looks like. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, there's that tree. I'm so stupid. I did not know it was that tree. I thought they meant those trees. I'll just decorate this. Yeah, we did not put any. I was not paying attention. I did not know there was a tree there. I was blind. Dodge the incoming lasers. Ah. That was quick. Follow the pizza too. This is with the color eyes. Okay, this has the black. Can you get? Okay, this must be it. You did it. I'm actually ready for 4th of July. I will try to get a Bod and Goo episode out. Oh, this again. I get the same one. It's crazy, we got the same one. Oh, bomb. Here we go. Come on, bro. Oh. We got this, y'all. Yep, I think this is pretty much all easy. Okay, good for all the way rings. They look like Sonic rings. They low-key actually do look like Sonic rings, not gonna lie. Oh, this person's like behind me. That was easy, bro. Well, okay, I'm kidding. I'm actually kidding. I'm not actually doing it. Okay, you know, we can just fly around. We got cloudy. Oh, okay, let's go. Oh, hot potato? Oh god, no. No, not the hot potato, bro. Ha! That was so easy, bro. What are we doing in this house? Uh-oh.